Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial insights. Exploring Kuflink, a peer-to-peer lending platform for property-backed loans. Find links to Kuflink in the description below. Kuflink distinguishes itself as a peer-to-peer lending platform with a primary focus on loans secured by property. This positions it as a viable alternative to traditional personal loan providers. While its core clientele comprises property investors and developers, individuals seeking secured personal loans for property-related expenditures can also benefit from Kuflink's services. Kuflink facilitates loans backed by real estate, mitigating risk for lenders and enabling borrowers to secure competitive interest rates compared to unsecured loan options. Loan amounts typically begin at £50,000 and can extend up to several £1 million, making Kuflink a suitable choice for individuals financing substantial projects such as home renovations, property acquisitions, or business expansions. Repayment terms offer flexibility, spanning from a few months to several years, tailored to the specific loan type and individual borrower profile. One of Kuflink's key advantages is its expedited approval process. Loan decisions are often reached within days, considerably faster than the timelines associated with traditional banking institutions. Kuflink's lending model is designed to provide both individual and institutional investors with opportunities to fund loans, ensuring efficient access to capital for borrowers. Furthermore, the platform prioritizes security. All loans are secured by tangible assets, typically property, minimizing the likelihood of default. Another significant benefit is the absence of early repayment penalties. Borrowers have the freedom to settle their loans ahead of schedule without incurring additional charges. This platform is ideally suited for individuals or businesses seeking secured loans with more favorable rates and greater flexibility than those offered by conventional banks. However, given the requirement of property as collateral, Kuflink may not be the optimal choice for individuals without real estate assets. The application process is straightforward, involving the submission of basic personal information, credit checks, and property valuations prior to loan approval. In summary, Kuflink presents a robust alternative to traditional lenders, particularly for those requiring property-backed personal loans. With competitive rates, rapid approvals, and a secure lending framework, it stands out as an excellent option for borrowers seeking flexible financing solutions. Click the link in the description to learn more and apply today.